Good afternoon, Bruce here from beautiful Murphy, North Carolina, and another Mosin video. It's been a while, I know. Today, it's more or less in honor of Robski from AK Operators Union on YouTube, here of course. Hit up his channel, it's great. He recommended me this beautiful Riley Defense AK in 308. Oh, safety first. Get that mag out. See the mag? Gotta have the mag. What good is looking at an AK without the mag in it? It looks naked. Check and make clear. Clear. Okay, Riley Defense RAK 308C. Rob recommended it. He's actually building a couple more. Now, these were built on the Stava M76, 77, excuse me, 76. 76 was the 8mm Mauser. M77, 308. But being built on a Milsurp kit, which are very good parts, the wood has a little bit of scratches. Which is why we're doing this video. For this rifle, for other rifles, they come with little scratches. It's character, but we want to fix that. We'll talk more about that later. So today, we're fixing our scratches, and something I like, which you can get at Wally World, supermarket, whatever. It's inexpensive, but great stuff. For light wood rifles, I use Old English lemon. For the lighter woods. For the dark woods with scratches, I use Old English for dark wood. Now, it doesn't fill in the scratch, whatever, but it does a very good camouflage. So let's try it out. Oh yeah. Now the beauty of this, we can use it on the rifles, and when you're done, your furniture. It's a win-win. Okay, are you ready? See that nice scratch? Yeah. Put it in there. Oh. There's more. Oh. And actually, I like this on all the Milsurps. Just for maintenance. Because, of course, a lot of the Milsurp people, especially if you get on Facebook, you got a bunch of FUDs and people, oh, don't touch the finish. Oh, you're ruining that, right? Especially in the Mosins. All right, there we go. Now, it's not perfect, and I'll take it and rub it a little bit more, but I'm not going to waste all your time, the whole video. But it makes the wood beautiful. It's very good, inexpensive. Even unlike this, the M39 Mosin from VKT, it needs it. Love these rifles. Oh, here's something else great for the Mosins. Packmeyer decelerator pad. Highly recommended. Takes a little of that recoil out. And here's one that I'm going to be using and hitting the Old English too hard. This wood has seen better days. Well, it should. It was made in 1915. Mosin M91, built by Remington. Now, if you notice, it's a little short here. Because this has been modified to 30-06. Where is that? Can you see the shank? There we go. I've got a lot of glare. Anyway, 30-06. Bannerman conversion. Very rare. But it needs it. And being made by Remington, it's not the Arctic birch. This is American walnut. An all-American Mosin again. How cool does it get? Anyway, back to the RAK 308C Riley Defense. If you want one, I would jump fast. I do not know how many they made. Mine was number 148 of the run. Oh, something else on the AKOU. AK Operator, that's his store, AKOU store. He's got some really good accessories for the Riley and other stuff for the AKs. From his site, arriving Monday, very fast service, thank you Robski, a master mount, scope mount, and an ACSS scope to go on the standard side mount. And if you go on and order for your Riley AK, under the option menu, this will be under AKM long, not the Yugoslav. Even though this was built on a Yugoslav parts kit, this is a Tort, weird name, Tort milled receiver. They went with the AKM long. So get that straight. And I am so psyched that it's on the way and looking forward to shooting it. Anyway, that's enough for now. I just had to get out a Mosin video before Super Bowl Sunday. Something for you to watch before the game. And once again, give Rob some love. Give my channel some love. If you're not subscribed, please like, subscribe, send $20 bills in an unmarked envelope to me. Pretty good. All right. Till later. Be awesome. See you on the next video.